Let's go to page 266. Start with number 2. So this one, you want to express the number in the decimal notation. So you got 3.14 times 10 to the 4. Okay, so you want to get rid of that. So you're going to get 314. And the decimal is right over here right now. And so you want to make it equal to 0. So you have to go down. That means this have to go up. So think about your number line. Okay, so you want to get this to 0, so you have to go this way. That means your decimal have to go this way to compensate for it. So you have to go over 4 places. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the answer would be 31400. Okay. Okay, number 4. You have 8.2 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, so again, you want to get this to 0. So think about number line. So negative 4 to 0, you have to go this way. That means your decimal have to go this way by 4. Okay, so right now you got 8.2, right? So you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so decimal have to be over here. So you have to add 3 zeros in here. So your answer would be 0.00082. Okay, number 6. You got 9.11 times 10 to the 0. Well, 10 to the 0 is just 1. So this one would be just 9.11. Okay, number 8. This one you're going backward. So you want to make into scientific notation. So you got 825000. So to put in scientific notation, right away you're going to have 1 digit before the decimal. So it'd be 8.25 times 10 to the something. Okay, so right now your decimal is over here. So you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So when you go this way, so you make the number smaller, so you have to make this number bigger by 5. Again, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to go up by 5. And so that would be your answer. Okay, for number 10, you have 0.000145. Okay, make sure. Okay. So again, to make into scientific notation right away, you put in a standard form using a template. So you're going to be 1.45 times 10 to the something. Okay. So right now your decimal is over here. So you have to move over 1, 2, 3, 4. So you move over 4 places. Okay. So that means you have to go down by 4 places. So it'd be minus 4. And how you know it's go up or down? Well, see, from here to it, the numbers gets bigger, so the exponent have to go smaller. So right now it's 0, and so see right now it's times 10 to the 0, right? So if you're going this way, this has to go this way, and so from 0, so you go 4 this way, and you start with 0, you go 4 this way, it's minus 4. Okay. Okay, number 12, we got 2.497. Okay, so this is already in the correct form already, so you don't have to do anything to it. So, but you have to put in scientific notation form. So just go 0 because you don't have to move anything. So it'll be just 0. Okay. Okay, number 14, you got 0.274. Okay, now some of you probably struggle. So what you do is you start with 0. So times 10 to the 0. So why do we do that? And then after that, you make into standard form, make into correct form. So it'd be 2.74 times 10 to the something. So you move 1 place over this way. Okay, you're going this way. So you have to go over this way by 1. So you start at 0. Think about number line. So you have to move decimal point 1 place over. So you start at 0. You move 1 place over. So it'd be minus 1. Okay, number 16, you got 0.006. To convert to scientific notation, again, just start with 0 power. And so this is going to become 6 times 10 to the, so you have to move over 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to move over 3 places. That means you start at 0, you have to go 3 places this way, so it will be minus 3. Okay. Okay, number 18, we have 12. Okay, so you can start with times 10 to the 0. For some of you get confused easily. And then you go and convert scientific notation. Again, scientific notation means you got a digit before the decimal and everything else after that. Okay? So right now the decimal is over here, so you have to move over 1 this way. So if you go this way, this has to go this way to compensate for it. So if you start at 0 and you go that way by 1 spot, you end up as 1. Okay? Again, think about how to move around on the number line. Okay, number 20. You have 0.60. And you have 700 million. Okay. So this one, you can just go and use calculator. It's much easier. So just punching the number in the calculator, and you should end up with 0.0175. Okay, you can just punch in the numbers. Now, whatever numbers down here to divide, so you have to use this times sign. Then you have to divide by 32 million. Then you have to divide. So everything on the bottom, when you enter the calculator, you have to divide, and then convert into scientific notation. So you can use calculator. So it'd be 1.75 times 10 to the negative 1. Okay, so make sure you get help on how to set up your calculator on the scientific notation mode, so that when you calculate, your answer will come out directly. Okay. Okay, so page. Okay, page 266. Okay, number 22. So you got 0.6. So 6 zeros divided by 3,000. Okay, so you can get your calculator. So point. Okay, and divided by 3,000 equal. So it'd be 3 times 10 to the negative 10. Okay, and that's it. So you can just use your calculator. So make sure you know how to use calculator. Next one is square root of 0.50. Okay, so you can take the square root of that. Okay, so this will give you 0.0015, so it'll be 1.5 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay, and that's it. So make sure you know how to use calculator to work the scientific notation.